3. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh no, I ain't messing with you. Oh no.
Right here, back here, at all the time here.
It was jacket on, jacket off, jacket on, jacket off. Some rain would come.
G kills viruses in just one. What did you do, Mom? Dad, holy crap.
Here are the day's other big stories, starting with, excuse me, that is a big close-up of my mouth, but listen to this.
The man caught here who just wanted a packet of cigarettes. You can imagine now he has a pack of cigar regrets.
Janella Hamilton, sorry. Thank you, Janella Hamilton reporting live for us this morning.
Labour's former Health Secretary Alan Johnson joins us down the line from Hull. Alan Johnson, I'm never going to recover from that.
Use the hashtag 13sunrise. Ziggy and I will share your photos on Channel 13, guys.
Biggie, okay, tell him we say hi. What a cutie. Thanks so much, Meredith.
Buenas tardes.
Bien, vamos a continuar con más.
But players, coaches, and executives are still hopeful a condensed season can still happen. Dixie, stop.
You did that for a Hot Pocket?
Yes, all that for a Hot Pocket.
You broke into a bank for a Hot Pocket?
Hot Pocket.
For a Hot Pocket. Was it worth it?
Hell yeah, it's worth it. A Hot Pocket? Hell yeah.
Oh my God. What is that? Ay, don't touch your face. Don't touch your face. 3, 2, 1. Don't touch your face.
Good morning. I am 6:30. No, I am Ross Becker. See, I am Ross Becker.
You had your coffee this
I am
morning?
6:30.
That's Anchorman right there.
Brianna is off today, by the way, because she isn't feeling well.
No, she's not.
And I'm not either, obviously.
Starting today, only 3 Minneapolis beaches. Why?
But what we found was a lot of states don't even have good regimens to keep the data to make sure that, I'm sorry, the bird just landed on his head.
It's okay. It's okay.
Sorry, let me
All
start
good.
over.
All good.
So if you're not at work today or you're working from home, you may be wondering, what day is it? Todd has the answer for us.
It's Monday.
Of course, it's the month of March Madness. It's also a popular time to get vasectomies.
Really?
Did you know that, Greg?
I had no idea.
Doctors at Cleveland Clinic. He was looking at me like, really? Really?
It's actually, oh, excuse me.
Oh no.
And the, this is,
If you need to take
the
a moment,
equipment is
we can
falling
come
over.
back to you.
The umbrella is gone.
We'll come back to you.
This is going to be one of those ones. This will be one of those clips that will go viral, no doubt.
Minister David Cameron was talking about. Oh, I'm really sorry. That's my son arriving.
Me?
Sorry, really embarrassed. Sorry.
So sorry.
Hold on one second.
Can I
Sorry.
have 2 biscuits?
Yes, you can have 2 biscuits. I'm really sorry about that.
Yeah, okay, well, we'll leave Deborah Haynes in full flow there with some family duties, but that's what happens.
So here we are in the living room. This is how it's going to be. Got the sidekick, Lola.